Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today's tutorial is all about removing unwanted text or watermarks. Open your image and select the clone stamp tool from the toolbar. Also hold Alt and click near the text to sample the background. Start painting gently over the logo or the text area. Use a soft brush for smooth blending and also adjust brush size to match small or large sections. Now zoom in close for details, clean up and around edges if the text sites on textures, change sample points frequently, clone from multiple directions to match tone perfectly. You can use a new layer for non-destructive editing, light blur clone areas for seamless blending,